morning, guys. This is our first day in Udaipur. Yesterday, after visiting Longewala Point and Tanot Mata Mandir, we headed back to Jaisalmer city again. Then we boarded a bus which took us to Udaipur. This bus was a sleeper bus, so we are not that tired. The whole journey took around 11 hours from Jaisalmer to Udaipur city, and it was quite dark, so we couldn't vlog anything yesterday. Now it's really beautiful day today. Our hotel is very pretty. It's on the Lake Pichola. The view is amazing.
So today we are going to visit City Palace in Udaipur, which is nearby Lake Pichola, and after that we are planning to have lunch at Chak Mandir. Then in the evening we'll visit Bahubali
Bahubali
Hills.
Hills, yeah, Bahubali Hills. Because we have heard there is a beautiful sunset. Hello guys, we just visited City Palace. It took us around 1.5 to 2 hours. For each person the ticket is 300 rupees,
Yeah.
and if you are opting for a guide then you have to pay additional 300 rupees
Yeah.
for a guide, and guide will tell you every corner of the City Palace. There is lot of information to sink in. Then we have come here at
This place is called the Baba Palace, and the food is really very good. We had very good lunch, and if you are coming on the rooftop to eat food, you can see the view here is
View.
very good. Just opposite to the hotel, it's Jagdish Temple, so you can see it here. Yeah. So after this, we are heading towards our hotel to get some rest, and then
Then-
we'll catch you up in the evening.
bye.
Good evening, guys.
We are heading towards Bahubali Hills for amazing sunset. We just crossed Badi Lake, right?
Yeah, Badi Lake.
Okay, so come along and let's have fun at sunset.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, तो ये एक छोटा सा ट्रैक है, मिनी ट्रैक, जो कि है अराउंड 300-400 मीटर्स. वैसे तो ये आइडिया मनाली का ही था, बाहुबली हिल्स का, तो वो रिफ्यूज़ नहीं कर सकती ट्रैकिंग करना, बिकॉज शी डजंट लाइक ट्रैकिंग. अभी तो हाफ भी नहीं हुआ.
Finally, I'm done it. Yay! Finally, we are done it.
तो गाइस हम लोग पहुंच गए ऊपर बाहुबली हिल्स पे, और ये सच में बहुत 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 ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है. एंड बाली देखने के लिए आपको ज़रूर आना चाहिए, और अगर आप देख पाओगे यहाँ पे बहुत सारे पब्लिक है, और यहाँ पे बहुत फन कर रहे हैं बाली.
Correct. morning, guys. It's day 2 in Udaipur, and we have decided to come here at
सहेलियों की बाड़ी और आज हमारी मदद कर रहे हैं प्रीतम सिंह जी।
Preetam Singh ji. So,
जी।
welcome Preetam Singh ji.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
So, आप हमें बताएं what is सहेलियों की बाड़ी और ये क्यों famous है इतना?
This garden name is Saheliyon ki Badi. This garden built by Maharana Sangram Singh II in 17th century. Before time, this garden used for only for royal ladies, princess and queens. Every morning came this point and some festival celebrated. For example, the color festival, Holi and Gangor festival. This garden, the importance, the main first is before time this garden all fountains are the gravity force started because the garden behind is the lake Fateh Sagar. Lake is 80 feet height.
जैसे कि यहाँ पे जितने भी सारे फाउंटेन्स हैं वो पहले मोटर से नहीं बल्कि नेचुरल ग्रेविटी से चलाए जाते थे, जो कि इसके पीछे ही फतेह सागर लेक है जो इससे 80 फीट हाइट पे है, तो इसके प्रेशर से यहाँ पे फाउंटेन्स चलते हैं.
Yeah.
हेलो गाइस, तो अभी हम हैं लेक पिछोला के यहाँ पे बोट स्टैंड पे. तो अभी हम लोग बोर्ड करेंगे एक बस जो कि हमें लेक पिछोला की सैर कराएगा.
It's been 9 days. We are discovering Rajasthan. We started with Jaipur, then we came to Jodhpur, then Jaisalmer, and now Udaipur. This is our last day in Udaipur, and
It doesn't feel like leaving this place. It's really very beautiful and people here are very welcoming, helpful. So right now we are heading towards Udaipur airport. So we'll be boarding flight to Mumbai back at 5:30 p.m.
5:30 p.m.
So
Hello guys, we just have arrived at Udaipur airport, which is also called as Maharana Pratap Udaipur airport. We have flight at 5:30 p.m. for Mumbai.